So welcome to the project demonstration of seed germination detection by using Jetson Nano. So here seed germination will be monitored by this camera, USB camera. So Jetson Nano programmed in order to capture the images for every 5 minutes, and that will be sent to the email ID, and along with the date and time will be named as a image name. And here we interface the sensors like DHT11 to monitor the humidity and temperature, soil moisture sensor to monitor the moisture level inside a soil, and also there we are using the two relays. One relay to control the water motor, then we connect to the water motor whenever the water level is less, then moisture level is less, then automatically the relay will get switched on, and water level sufficient, then the relay will get switched off. And the second relay is used to control the lighting, so that is the lighting purpose for the plants or the seeds. So that light will be controlled during the early morning duration only, whenever the sunlight is less, and the 6 to 11 o'clock the light will get switched on. So, and we can change the timing also in order to get the lighting for the seeds. So before on the kit, we need to connect the USB for the USB camera and LAN cable for send the email alerts and power supply. So just log into the mobile phone with your Gmail ID and password. So it will take 20 to 30 seconds for booting. On successfully booting, the system will send the mail along with the photo like this. So each image consists of date and time. So it will take around of 20 to 30 seconds for booting purpose. On successfully booting, the relays will get switched off, and welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen, and the one relay will get switched on as of there is no water content to this moisture sensor. Just by dipping this to this water sensor, there you can see light indication on this moisture sensor, and also the relay will get switched off. And low level, motor gets switched on. High level, motor gets switched off. So, and continuously temperature and humidity will be monitored by our LCD screen, and DHT11 data continuously monitoring on this one. So we can check the live data also. So the humidity in Hyderabad is 32 degrees and the humidity percentage is 24%. Same here also, 30 degrees centigrade and humidity is 24%. So these are live parameters from the sensor. And next, log into the Gmail as we get the image already. So the system is keep on sending the mail alert for every 5 minutes. So when the timer completes, then automatically the photo will be sent to the email alert. So coming to the component interfacing connections, so we have interfaced the USB for this USB camera and LAN for this LAN purpose to provide the data, and power supply at this slot as a USB slot, and this is the breadboard. So to distribute the 5 volts power supply, as we are getting 5 volts power supply at only one location in our Jetson Nano board, so this will be given as input at this section, and from there parallelly we are distributing that 5 volts power supply to the sensors like soil moisture sensor and DHT11 sensor and LCD display, and for this 2 relay board also. So in the next, coming to the interfacing connections, we have interfaced the LCD at pin number 11, 13, 15 and 19, 21, 23 pins of our Jetson Nano, and DHT11 at 37th pin and 38th pin is interfaced to the moisture sensor, and 2 relays interfaced at the pin numbers directly at 5 and 7. So these are the interfacing connections for the input and output sensor modules in our project. So we will wait for 5 minutes, just will pause the video. So first mail we got at 4:14 p.m. So right now we'll check the email will be arrived right. So we got the email for 5 minutes completion, right? So in this manner for every 5 minutes. So we can change the time also in a programming language. So we can set the time in that, and we can increase up to 10 minutes or based on our requirement, based on minutes also we can set for the email alerts.